Hey, alright, so what's up everybody? I wanted to do a quick video. I don't know how long this is going to end up, but the guy with the freight truck just left, and he brought me my new Jinma tripper. I'm right off YRC Yellow Road, that's right. Just as you see it here. I don't know if it came straight from China off the boat like this, but this is what we got. And I ordered this from Circle G Tractor Parts in Nashville, Tennessee. Had it shipped to me down here in Tallahassee, about 8 hours away or so, by the route that the truck takes. And these generally go for about $1,500 online, and then when shipping it ends up being 18 or so. I think I might have paid $75 for lift gate service too, which, you know, we live uptown and I keep the tractor down on our lot, so I didn't have a way to lift it, so I had to get lift gate service. But this is just how she came. First video. Looks like the PTO shaft did come with it. That's one of the questions I had for him. But I'll do an unboxing tomorrow. Weather's supposed to be good. We get out to the lot and I get the tractor out there, lift it off the trailer. One thing I did want to check on, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a pick ring down in there. So yeah, we'll get the chains on her. Alright, here we are next day. I decided I want to go ahead and unbox this thing, as it were, so I'm not dragging the plastic to the lot. Let's see what we got here. Good. Welds on it aren't the prettiest, but they're definitely strong. Well, a couple of them that don't look so great, but yeah, welds on the inside too. Huh. Yeah, actually, it's better than I imagined. A couple scratches here and there, but nothing major. Paint's kind of shoddy. Not much coverage in there, but we'll take a look at it here and see. Then I'm gonna have to remember to bring the right wrenches and all that good stuff out to the lot, because I don't have the means to lift the thing right here. Pretty gnarly looking deal, ain't it? Reusable bearings on both sides. Oh, I got Zerks on it. Let's take a better look at that. Those U-joints get a lot of complaints. A lot of failure rates and stuff, from what I hear. Take a better look at those when we set it up. I'm gonna run her till she breaks, and then we'll fix it as we go. But we got some paperwork. Cool. English. Hey, baby. Alright, let's bring this thing up off of here. One piece. Huh. Give it a little help with the ratchet strap. Let's try this again. Well, glad they used that freaking Alright, so after farting around with that, I hooked the trailer back up to the car so the trailer wouldn't tip. I'm going to chain it to the back of the skid. I'll just drag this thing off of here and get a hold of it, get it on the ground, take it apart. They definitely half-ass putting it on the skid. Gotta turn the brake off, huh? Ever so gently. But you don't want to move. Well, let's re-rig. Women. Coming down now, Brick. Care what you do. Try not to tear it up too bad, because obviously I can't blame the shipper now. Feels like I'm pushing on it. There, you're rotten so-and-so. I think my chain's loose enough. Get her off. Better yet. Freaking brain, huh? Like I meant it. Stay. Oh, I see. Just had to deboard half the freaking skid. No big deal, right? Don't look too bad. No worse for wear. I'm not gonna go too far with this thing. I'm gonna have to lift her up here in a minute. Reposition. Look into my eyes. You're not a Ghost Rider fan, then go chew some big red bubblegum. Don't scratch that shiny new paint. Yeah, that'll work. Look at that, they take the time to weld nuts on it that they don't even use. So they use them for spacers.
So this is the point I realized at the bottom of this iron cage that surrounds the chipper is actually kind of a basket holding all the loose items that I thought were sitting on top of the skid.
Thanks, baby.
That would fall if I didn't take it all off in one piece. Yeah, probably could have just wrapped the chain around the angle iron at the top and picked it up to begin with. I don't know. You be the judge.
Huh. And the wife. Put that over on the trailer.
In case you're wondering, no, the chipper's not directly over my head. I did look a couple times, I promise.
40, yeah. Those I need. There you go. Let's get your name all over it. Boy, that's a lot heavier than it looked online. Be sure for that. Pretty new paint all the way from China for me to scratch. weight. Bails me out.
Looking back on it, I can't remember how the instructions inform you to put the stand on the chipper, but it's a lot easier if you put the sides on than the front and back and leave every bolt loose until you get everything together. Don't forget to bring a dead blow hammer. You will need it for this stage as well as getting on the chip ejection chute at the end too.